All right, so I hit go on the dishwasher in a normal cycle. That is to say auto. And I hit start. And I've opened it. Soap is in. And let's try this again. Right before I started it, all the lights went off. And then all the lights went on. Every single button, every single thing. Kind of like that. Flashing, flashing. Then it seems like it's ready to start the cycle. So I'm going to come over here and hit start. And then I'm going to shut it. So you can see. And close it. And it should start running. But this is the second time. All right, and now it's flashing, which may mean I took too long to hit start. So I just have to open it, quickly hit start, shut it, and it should start. So I'm repeating what I did 5 minutes ago when it just hit to 0. And now I'm just basically attempting it a second time. Now you can see it's counting down in some kind of mode I've never seen before. And it's back in 0. Just waiting to see if it's going to do anything different, and it doesn't look like it's going to. So I'm going to open it and see if it's in some kind of strange mode, and I'm going to do a full reset, holding down for 4 seconds. So when I did that, it turned it off, and now it's lighting up everything. 4 seconds is up, so I'm going to let go. And as you can see, every light is on. I'm just going to let the video run and narrate it because that's exactly what I thought was going to happen. So it's running with the door open. It's probably draining the Okay, so it's acting like it's been reset and it's ready to be run. So I will again hit start, solid, no flash, and shut it. Once again, it's starting a 2-minute, 10-second timer. Counting down on that timer. We're at the 0 still. I'm expecting this to shut off again, but then that'll be, I will have recorded one entire cycle of weirdness. Just gonna open it again. And I think we're just right back to where we started from. Hit normal, that made some things flash, even though it ignored me. Try heavy, flashing, normal, 210 flashing, and it will not let me hit negative speed 60, changed it to 1 hour. And I want the auto cycle. And I'm assuming if I hit start again, it's going to recycle and I will just simply give up.
At this point, I'd unplug it or shut off the breaker and try that.
That's a good idea. It's just, I think they don't, at Bosch, they don't believe that we're doing anything right. So I just want to, without even stopping or editing the video, I want to let it run all the way through whatever it's doing. So it just counted down by 10s that time. And off. So I'm going to hit stop on the recording.